The sound of a breaking piggy, if ever I've heard one.
Two sounds you can't miss. A breaking piggy and the sizzle of hot lasagna.
I don't like the looks of this.
Neither do I. No food in sight.
Somebody's coming!
All right. There must be 20 bucks in here, easy.
I can't believe it! Corey's own brother?
Wally never did this sort of thing to the beeve.
Michael? It's me.
Go away.
I'm just looking for... Is that my piggy bank?
I told you to stay out. It fell. I was just trying to fix it.
Is he kidding?
It fell from my dresser into your room. You took it. And what's in that box?
None of your business. And keep your hands off.
What's all this for? Either someone's conducting a major chemistry experiment, or this is a serious no-no.
Toto, something tells me we're not in cartoon territory anymore.
What's that funny smell? I hate to suggest this, but my guess would be marijuana. An unlawful substance used to experience artificial highs.
You're acting really weird.
So who asked you?
If you wanted some money, you could have said something. Are you feeling okay? What's wrong with your eyes?
Nothing. Leave me alone, will ya?
Michael, you always tell me everything. What's wrong?
Michael? Honey, where are you going?
That kid's got a one-way ticket to Nowheresville.
Simon suspects drugs.
Oh, my.
There is bad news.
Michael needs our help.
Then let's help him!
Come on, we gotta do something.